like one who is so burdened by the pain he does not feel. I feel no anger nor sorrow, thus I have forgotten myself. For the loss overcomes me, so that my heart cannot think it. Nor can any man until he experiences it know how great it is. Of Lord, barrel, my good Lord. So whether I sing or laugh or weep, I value it no more than I did before. If I am enchanted or have fallen into error, that I cannot find his great worth. For he held us so honored, just as the magnet draws iron and makes it rise. He made hearts straighten toward worth, forced and heavy. And he who took worth and joy and honor sends generosity, fortune and riches from us, cares little for our advancement. How many he has disinherited, who were all rich in his love, and how many died the day he was killed and buried. You never saw so many dead in one place. Even those who heard him named understood how to acquire, so present was his worth. For he knew how to raise his name from small to great, from great to greater, until no walls couldn't close it. Sweet and familiar Lord, how can I speak your praise? For like a springing river that flows more the more it is channeled, your praise grows in thought, and I always find more to do. And your giving seemed to make your desire grow. The more seekers came, but God, how to a good giver, he gave you 1,000 times as much. Then when you were highest, you fell like a flower, that when one sees it at its most beautiful, then it falls most quickly. But God shows us by signs that we should love him alone, and hate the wretched world where one passes as a wayfarer. For all other worth turns to dishonor, and all other sense to folly, except for those who do his commands. Fair Lord God, who takes no pleasure in the death of any sinner, but rather to kill their death you suffered your own in peace. Make him live there among the saints, since you did not want to leave him here. And deign to pray for him, Virgin, who prays for many, to your Son that he may help them. For all the best have hope, and your dear prayers are merciful. Who should say 1,000 times more?